Hello everyone. Today we are delving into the world of Facebook Insights and Analytics, a treasure trove of data that can guide your strategies to new heights. I'm Mohammed, and by the end of this video, you'll be navigating Facebook Insights like a pro. Let's get started. First things first, let's unlock the power of Facebook Insights for Page Analytics. This tool provides valuable data about your audience, content performance, and engagement. Let's dive into how to use Facebook Insights to gain actionable insights. Here in the Insights tab, we have a wealth of information. We can explore metrics such as page views, likes, and reach. Likes show the total number of page likes over time and allow you to see where your likes came from, including organic growth, paid sources, and unlike. Reach provides information about how many people have seen your content, including the total reach, organic reach, and viral reach. Understanding and regularly reviewing Facebook page insights can help you tailor your content strategy, improve engagement, and optimize your page for your target audience. Now, I'll guide you through key sections and highlight the metrics that matter most for understanding your audience and content performance. Total reach, the number of people who have seen any content associated with your page. Organic reach, the number of people who saw your content without paid promotion. Viral reach, the number of people who saw your content because someone else shared it. Post engagements, the total number of interactions with your posts, including likes, comments, and shares. Engagement rate, the percentage of people who engaged with your content out of the total number who saw it. Total page likes, the overall number of people who have liked your page. Net likes, the number of new likes minus unliked during a specific period. Link clicks, the number of clicks on links within your posts. Click-through rate (TR), the percentage of people who clicked on your content out of the total who saw it. These are the basic metrics, and based on these benefits, we can improve our insights performance. Now that we have the data, let's talk about how to interpret it to refine your strategies. Understanding the story behind the numbers is crucial for making informed decisions and optimizing your Facebook marketing efforts. Here in the Reach and Engagement section, we can see how different posts perform. I'll show you how to interpret these insights to refine your content strategy, posting schedule, and even identify the best times to engage with your audience. As marketers, having the right key performance indicators or KPIs is essential for measuring success. Let's explore the KPIs that matter most in the realm of Facebook marketing. Here in the customizable dashboard, we can set up and track our chosen KPIs. I'll guide you through selecting and monitoring KPIs such as engagement rate, click-through rate, and conversion metrics. These indicators will guide your strategy and help measure your return on investment. And there you have it, Facebook Insights and Analytics decoded. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video.